guys, I'm Janet Campbell and I am the principal designer here at Linen and Orchid, and I want to welcome you to our first episode of our Summerview project. This home, my clients purchased it and they've asked me to come and design it, modernize it, and make it their home. This property is located in Cary, North Carolina, in the beautiful community known as Lockmere. So in today's episode, we're going to talk about all of the things that we're planning on doing to the home. And then you got to stay tuned for the next 2 other episodes as we take you along the journey of this transformation that we'll be doing for this home. So let's go inside and let's go check it out. This custom-built home was built in the early 2000s. It's 3,800 square feet with 5 bedrooms. And as you can see, it's got a great open floor plan concept. So one of the things that I love about this property, especially the minute I walked in, is all of these beautiful wood trims. You've got these gorgeous crown moldings, baseboards, and of course these trims around the windows, which windows, you've got plenty of them here. And as a designer, I could appreciate that because I love natural light. So in this room, we're doing some not major changes, but we're doing enough to give it that wow factor and make it look completely different. The first thing we're doing is the fireplace. So because my client wants to add a flat screen TV and hang it on the wall, we're going to lower this by removing the fireplace mantle and adding some texture using stone. Then in these built-ins, we're actually going to mimic what this side has on the other side. So back in the day, we used to put our TVs in here. This was a big thing, but thank God for Bluetooth. We don't need to do that anymore. So instead, we're gonna add some height, do some color, some paint color, and also add some texture with some wallpaper. And again, this room is gonna look amazing. Now let me tell you what we're gonna do in the breakfast room. So in the breakfast room, we're really not doing any major cosmetics, but we are doing what's called space planning. That basically means that we're adding some furniture and some window treatments. My thought process is, this is the first room that people will see when they first walk into the home. So I wanted to give it that sense of elegance and wow factor. Now, we've saved the best for last. Let's head to the kitchen. So this is going to be the best and fun part of the project. We're going to do the most of the changes in this room. The only thing that's staying are the cabinets, but we are going to change the hardware. We're going to put in new backsplash, change out the stone top, new appliances, and we're going to use customized paint for these cabinets. So now the island, we're going to modernize this. It's going to stay the same size, except that we're going to flatten it out. We're going to use the same stone that we're using in the fireplace here to kind of tie in both rooms, but we're going to add a waterfall effect. Wait till you see this. In the butler's pantry, we are actually keeping the upper cabinets. We are going to add some custom paint to it, but we are removing the lower cabinets. And what we're doing is we're adding a beverage center and also 2 drawers that are refrigerators. This way the kids have extra room to put their drinks in. We are also replacing the counters and adding some backsplash. In the end, it's gonna look pretty cute. So what do you guys think? This house is gonna look amazing, and I cannot wait to show you the transformation. So make sure you stay tuned for the next episode, as I will give you some more behind the scenes, and you'll also meet my team. Now, if you're working on a project, I would love to help you find your sanctuary within. I'm Janet Campbell with Linen and Orchid. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.